Microservices were heralded as the saviors of software development. They promised flexibility, scalability, and efficiency. But here we are in 2025 asking ourselves, did we just trade simplicity for a web of complexity? Imagine this, a service for authentication, another for payments, one more for search. Each operates independently. Each requires its own deployment, its own team, its own logging system. 10 services, 10 headaches. Congratulations, you've built a distributed system that's as difficult to manage as it is to debug. And sure, microservices scale. They allow teams to work in parallel, and applications can grow to meet demand. But at what cost? To manage them, you need a toolbox of Docker containers, Kubernetes clusters, gRPC communications, CI/CD pipelines, and service meshes. Contrast this with monolithic architectures. Everything resides in one place, tightly integrated. Debugging is straightforward. Deployment? A single, cohesive process. Testing is simpler when the entire application is one entity. But monoliths have their own challenges. As they grow, they can become unwieldy, bloated. A single bug in one part of the system can bring the entire application crashing down. Release cycles slow to a crawl, bottlenecked by the weight of the monolith itself. So what's the trade-off? With microservices, you're not just scaling your application, you're scaling your teams. Each service can be managed independently, allowing faster iteration and specialization. Yet, this independence introduces a new problem. Every network hop is a potential failure point. Dependencies multiply, and suddenly your system's complexity grows exponentially. Consider the experience of startups today. Many choose to begin with a monolithic architecture. It's simpler, faster to develop, and easier to manage at smaller scales. They delay transitioning to microservices until growth demands it. Why? Because microservices often feel like they require the infrastructure and expertise of a dedicated site reliability engineer before your application even has users. DevOps, which once aimed to streamline development with CI/CD, now wrestles with container orchestration and the intricacies of distributed systems. We haven't necessarily simplified our workflows. Instead, we've layered abstraction upon abstraction, sometimes to the point of burnout. So what if the answer isn't microservices, nor monoliths, but a better approach to both? Monoliths don't have to be messy. With modular design, clean architecture, and careful planning, they can be powerful and efficient. The key is to start small, iterate quickly, and let your architecture evolve as your needs grow. At the end of the day, it's not about choosing sides. It's about understanding the tools at your disposal and applying them thoughtfully. So what's your take? Are you Team Monolith or Team Microservice? Drop your thoughts below, and don't forget to follow for more tech insights.